Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It's January 23rd. We got the grain markets higher today. Corn up about 3 right now. Beans up 5.25 cents, and wheat leading the rally up about 10 cents at this point. We're getting this bounce in corn, trying to get back up around this 430 area. I think we're just seeing farmers selling, kind of slowing down right now, giving us a little bit of a bounce. Still going to be just that, though, as we get into this 430 to 435 area. Got good resistance at those levels once again. But the focus has been on beans. Beans finding a little strength today, up about 5.25 cents. Still no cancellations out of China. That was the big news as we came in on Tuesday. Everyone expecting that. These 8 a.m. sales going to be very important to see if they do cancel something. But also watch export sales. Typically, they're released 7:30 on Thursdays. Since we had the day off there Monday, they're not going to be out tomorrow. So, are they going to be reported? Keep an eye on that as well. South American weather right now is still bearish. 80% coverage of their growing region right now over the last few days, anyway. Better than expected. They started off saying that we were going to see 70%. Now they're talking 80%. But they're also putting some rain in the forecast for next week. And the 11 to 15-day forecast has got some rain in it as well. So these rains look like they're going to continue. So the stress, or these stressed areas, are going to get a little bit of relief. So the weather's still looking negative. I think today most of the support that we're getting for the grains, the dollar is down sharply. We're down about 47 cents. If the dollar breaks, we see commodities rally. Well, that's what we're doing. I think we are getting a little bit of some relief there from that dollar. It's been extremely volatile, but watch that. But that's with the dollar being down 47 cents today. Stock market is down 66. You got gold up 13 bucks right now, big rally there. Silver up 31 cents. So finding some support for the metals. But the biggest story yesterday is in livestock. Cattle, cash cattle. Trading 147 in Kansas and Texas, 150 in Nebraska. Very, very strong cash cattle trades. $5 higher than last week's trade at 142. So very strong trade. We had seen cattle go up limit at one point yesterday. We've got futures right now trading at about 50 to 60 cents higher. Still very strong, 144.25. But that's still below where we've got cash trading. So we may continue to see this rally go as long as we see this cash market stay supported. Now, box beef was strong again yesterday. We were up. We've seen a very sharp rally out of box beef as well, and that's keeping some support for cattle here as well. Now, hogs, as we've been mentioning, quite a different story. Unchanged this morning. We're still about $5.50 off of the cash index. So off of the hog index, and that is lower than where futures are at. So don't expect to see a big bounce unless we see this cash market turn around and start to head higher as well. We just don't have it in it right now. But these deferred months, so as you go out, the summer months, June and on out, we could find some support. And we haven't talked PED in a while. That is still an issue out there. We continue to hear it from producers. That's when we may see that hit. Right now, that's not a problem, not an issue. But we're looking at that cash index still sitting $5.50 below where we've got futures right now for that February contract. So we've got our conference that's coming up. I've talked about it in the past. Guys, this is it. Get registered. You're going to have a great in-depth look here of what's coming ahead of you guys for 2014. Feel free to give us a call. You can take a look at everything right online. Allendale-inc.com, or you can reach us here at 800-262-7538. We'd be glad to help you out. I hope you guys have a great day today. We'll talk to you again tomorrow morning.